Now we've got a problem that says that this point here and this point here are the endpoints of the diameter of a circle. And what we want to do is determine the center of the circle. Well, I'm trying to think of what to do here, and here's what I know. If I have I'm thinking, okay, maybe I've got a diameter. This is not necessarily this one, but what do I know here? The midpoint right here, that's going to be the center, right? If this white line right here represents the diameter, the center of the circle is going to be right in the middle of that. So I think I'm going to use the midpoint formula. So I'm going to write the midpoint formula. Here's what we get. It's x1 plus x2 over 2, right? The average of the x values. And then the same with the y, y1 plus y2 over 2. And here's our x1. Okay, I'll write it up here. The first x I see is that one. The first y I see is that one. The second x is that square root of 2. And the second y is the 1. So let's substitute and see what we get. So the midpoint is going to be, all right, let's add up the x's. Square root of 5 plus square root of 2 all over 2. Add up the y's, we'll get negative 3 plus 1 over 2. So let's simplify. Well, we can't really do anything with this one right now. We are going to leave it just like that. So I'm going to write that as square root of 5 plus square root of 2 and just leave it like that. But this one over here with the y's, negative 3 plus 1 is a negative 2 over 2. Oh, I can simplify that. So how about this? The midpoint is going to be square root of 5 plus square root of 2 over 2 and negative 1. Now, this is what I'm going to call the center of the circle. And I'm going to just leave those radicals as they are.